Hello lovely people, welcome back to Mariam Edibles. Today we are making condensed candy, also known as condensed toffee. If you're new to my channel, you are highly welcome, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that. So lovelies, without wasting much time, let's dive in. These are the ingredients we are going to use, and I have in here condensed milk. I'll be using 300 ml. I don't know if you can clearly see that. And also butter here, just a reasonable amount of butter. There's no specific quantity for this, okay? Yes. And I also have a vegetable oil here, just a little. So basically this is what we use to make condensed candy, okay? I begin by pouring the condensed milk into the pan. Add the butter to it. You can also use vegetable oil instead of the butter, okay? You can use vegetable oil as well. And then bring it to heat. I'll be doing this on medium heat. You can also decide to melt the butter first before you add your condensed milk to it. Any way you choose to, the results are just going to be the same. And also, as soon as you bring your milk and butter to heat, stirring begins, and it's non-stop until you get your desired candy, okay? And others want their candy chewy, others want it harder, but I am going in for the hard one, so the end result should look golden color. If you like it chewy, then it should be light gold, something like that. All right, this is perfect and we are done. My heat is off. We are done with this part, okay? This is my desired color. So I have my bowl here. Pour in some amount of oil. This is just to prevent the candy from sticking in the bowl. And then I add the candy to it. Yes, cover it and set it aside. I'll be working on this board. First, I'll grease it with some oil, not too much, just a little bit, okay? This is just to make it easy to roll my candy on it. So I cut some of the candy and then put it on the board and start rolling. Before you do this, make sure that your hands are clean, very clean, okay? And trust me guys, this is super hot, but I have to do it because when it cools down, you cannot roll and you cannot cut too. So if you are making condensed toffee or condensed candy, make sure that you put up with the heat and then do this. It's too hot, but I don't want it to cool down though. If it cools down, I cannot do this then, okay? And in fact, the people behind the scene, they are just finishing my candy. Everybody's mouth is busy. Oh, they are finishing my candy. And this is the final result, and it can be stored for at least 2 months in an airtight container. Thank you for watching this video. If you do enjoy this video, please subscribe and give your girl a thumbs up, and don't forget to share this video. Until I see you on my next video, stay blessed and much love.